A Vista Center client uses a talking tape measure to get the exact dimensions needed to make a doggy treat bucket. He then safely and carefully feels the alignment, using tactile techniques to stay precise.
Accessibility tools like talking tape measures and Wixie Talk app turn barriers into bridges.
At the end, he checks the angles using an accessible app.
91.9, 45.1, 45.3, 45.1, 45.0.
The angle here. It's taking the safety off the saw blade's turning on. With this saw blade to completely stop before I pull my hands away. Now I'm kind of just checking the angle there. Drive fitting. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a perfect, look at that. That's a perfect fit across there. That worked out nice.
Safety first, specialized tools, and expert training make this possible. Always consult a professional.
Support our programs by donating to Vista Center.